I'd like to welcome you all to Standard-Knapp's virtual trade fair. For those who don't know me, I'm Mike Weaver, president of Standard-Knapp. For those who do know me and have met at the trade shows and at customer sites, I really wish that we could be together. I am so glad that you're here to see what we have to offer. I've been through 27 years of trade shows, and each trade show is an opportunity to connect with old friends, make new friends, display our innovations, hammer out some project details, and have fun. And I really relish PAC Expo Las Vegas coming up, and hopefully we'll be through this COVID affair. From our first patent in 1894 until today, we've existed to serve you, to serve the manufacturers of food, beverage, and chemicals. And we will continue to do that for the long future. Last July, we joined EOL packaging experts and gained a sister company called A&F. Later, we gained another sister company called BMS, and with it came a new CEO and a kindred spirit, Thomas Lehman. Through A&F and BMS, we will support their product in North America by selling, servicing, spare parts, and upgrades on all their equipment. We've taken away 6 time zones of communication delay, and we're putting a local face on a global player. With these guys, we also have some new products, exciting things like wraparound case packing, cup packing, palletizing, pick and place technology. With this, we now have a strong support network for all of these machines, have an expanded outlook, and look forward to supporting you. As always, our core values are serve, solve, collaborate, and have a passion for making great packaging machinery. And now, I'd like to introduce you to the star of the show today of the Versatron case packer product line, and you'll watch a short video. Let me introduce you to our Versatron case packing technology. These machines, these Versatron machines, the hallmark of them, the name Versatron says it all. This machine is capable of a large variety of products, all top-loaded, and it can be trays, reshipper cases, or regular RSC cases. the difference between the two models of our 939, one comes with a pneumatic lift table, one comes with a servo lift table. The servo lift table features soft catch technology and is great for fragile product. It's great for glass partitionless packing and any of those needs. It also gives you a much higher speed. The machine that's shown here is a pneumatic machine. It's capable of up to 28 cases a minute. The servo machine is capable for up to 40 cases a minute. If we look at the entrance of this machine, it is set up with a laner. The laner is a very simple swing gate style laner that is servo operated, so the excursion of the conveyor is controlled by a servo motor and readily set up with a product recipe change. There are only two change parts in that laner, and you can set the whole thing up. It's also faster than your typical two-axis laner, and that is because of the servo technology and the sensor technology that we use. We are able to switch lanes rapidly as a product advances, and we don't have to play games with going back and forth. Once the product leaves the laner, it enters these lane guides. These are a little bit special lane guides. They are for non-round product, and they are highly precise. So with this and good line pressure control, we can do a large variety of shapes that would ordinarily lock in most ordinary drop packers. The case feed on the bottom, where we receive the cases, they come in. This is a flap opening section because this machine is set up for reshipper cases. The bottles come down into the grid area. The cases come down onto the table. The table goes up. We drop the bottles into the case, and then lower the lift table and present the case to this outfeed conveyor. The outfeed conveyor goes to the case sealer. The case sealer has the ability to take flaps that are folded down and fold them to the top and give us the ability to glue them. We can provide, this one has a glue system. We can also tape your cases shut. We even have customers who buy glue and tape for the same machine for a different customer, different application. The cases will roll through this area. The glue unit will spray glue onto the cases. An important thing, if you buy a case sealer, you want the glue to squirt down on the major flaps. You do not want the glue to squirt on the minor flaps as they go under the head, because you're going to get glue on your product. So this one has the ability to do that. It's also fitted with an optional glue replenishment hopper. So you can put days worth of glue in this one machine here. As we move through this, the last stage of it, the product is compressed and out it goes. This machine, if you notice, there's no guard doors. It is protected with a light curtain. You can readily, if you see a defect, you can readily reach into the machine and the machine will stop. It is all set up so that the machine will stop faster than you can reach it. And per OSHA, that is breaking this light curtain beam at a speed of 65 inches per second. So 5 feet per second through there, and a machine will stop and it's safe. Light curtains are great for recovery. There's no guard doors to be in your way. There is no opportunity to forget to close a guard door. This way you can reach in, do what you have to do, get back to the HMI and get going again. Cut your mean time to recover. And as we all know, efficiency is the mean time between failures divided by the mean time between failures plus the mean time to recover. We make our machines so that
they're very reliable in operation. So it's hard to improve your OEE without attacking the mean time to recovery. With the change parts on our machine, we are capable of running all of these products on one machine and changing over in 10 minutes. Whether you're doing 2 lanes of large jugs, 4 lanes of small bottles, 8 lanes of very small bottles. 10-minute changeover.
Soft catch. What is soft catch? Well, as everybody knows, if I threw you an egg, you would catch it by going down with it. Traditional drop packing, the ball or the bottle is caught with a lift table and it's free to bounce on and off the lift table. With soft catch, we can use physics and timing to cause something that mimics a human catching an egg. And with that, we can catch fragile product. So there you see, and we can take about 88% of the impact energy away. So in reality, this represents the lift table. This is where we're dropping the bottles out of the grid. We're using a photo on the triplet, and thus we catch the ball. Notice the no bounce. Now let me stop it. I'll turn it into an ordinary drop packer and drop the ball, and let's see what happens. Do you want that to happen to your product? I don't think so. I think you want soft catch.